2, 1, and liftoff.
This is par for the course.
For everybody?
It's the way football is. Listen, back in the day when you were just a young man, Bill Belichick used to send lackeys up to the press box in Cleveland after games to go through the visiting team's wastebasket to see if he could find plays. I mean, this is just the way people are. They don't share what they're going to do. Two, to me, it's a moot point. If they come out and talk more about it, wouldn't you think it's a smokescreen? The draft is coming in 3 weeks. So the fact that they don't talk about it, I don't think is an indication of anything. And number one on my list is that as long as it's not confusion on their part, I'm willing to accept anything that comes out of anybody's mouth at this time of year. The worst thing is they're not talking because they don't know what to do.
So number 3 for me is I hope this lessens a little bit in the future. I hope the front office gets just a little more forthcoming for the fans about sort of their processes, not who they're going to pick, but how they go about what they do. Because number 2, I think it's a little bit of a missed opportunity to explain themselves. I still feel like a lot of the fan base doesn't exactly know how these guys go about their business, and I think explaining it a little bit more would be good for them and be good for the fans.
Well, I'll give you that much, but just remember the last time Dee Podesta said anything of substance, he said that they didn't see a top 20 projected quarterback in the draft, and he took a lot of grief for that when Wentz started playing well. Go ahead.
But he might be right. Number 1 is it just lets the fans worry more, I think. And I don't think they should be worried about this. But they just, right, in talking both about Robert Griffin III and Brock Osweiler and their plans at quarterback, their answer at various times has been they're human beings, basically. Like they admit that they exist as a person and that I guess any person might be their quarterback. No, it's just they obfuscate, is that a word? They confuse the issue, I think, unnecessarily. And now I'm confused.